if you're going to stand out from the crowd, you need to re-examine your leadership opportunities. And you need to understand that the role of a leader is not defined by a title or whether they've got an office with a window or not. Leaders are people who influence other people by their attitudes, their thoughts, their behaviors, and their performance. Here's some things you need to know about good leaders, because you need to know if you are one, and you need to know if you are on a team, because this is the kind of leader you would be proud to follow. So it gives you some sense of where you are. Good leaders are always looking ahead. They may not like change, but they know it's inevitable. They've got to deal with it. They can follow as well as lead. Some leaders get caught up into thinking that being a leader means bossing everybody around. And they forget that good leadership means influencing others so that they can feel empowered to do the job they need to do. Good leaders attract advocates and allies. I hope you've got some advocates and allies in your life. People who will go to bat for you, who will fight for you, who will give you wise counsel, who will tell you when you're getting ready to do something that's really not a good idea. The only way you can get advocates and allies in your life is to be the kind of person that people want to help. Because you don't get to choose your advocates and allies, they choose you. Good leaders take networking to a new level. It's wonderful to come to events like this and trade business cards and do all the things that you do. That's great, but all of you in this room know that to be successful today, you can't just network with people in your association or with people across town or in another state. You've got to network with people all over the world. Good leaders take their skills with them wherever they go. Whatever they do in their community, whatever they do to volunteer, good leaders know that leadership skills are life skills.